Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about like some of the affiliate marketing myths that have been fed through many people, like especially when they are beginning. So when they come across online, they think like they need this thing to get started online, like I need this thing to succeed. There are so many factors like that like get stuck in their head, and like it becomes too much information for them, and they stop taking action on that particular day, or like even they may not even get started. So I'm going to cover few of the things like that can actually help you, and what are the things actually you should focus instead of the other things. So I'm going to cover everything in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin, and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'm going to document my journey on this channel. So if you're interested, please hit that subscribe button, and if you're looking to get started with your online business, be sure to check the first link in the description. Coming back to today's topic, like I have seen many people, because I was one amongst them, and even now when I talk to people about trying to help them to get started, like they have a lot of questions like, hey Sachin, do I need a funnel to get started with my online business? I can't afford Clickfunnels, and like I don't want to show my face on YouTube, I don't want to create content on Instagram, like I don't have this, I don't have that, I need this to get started. So many factors come in picture, and they never get started with their online business. So this is one of the because you're seeing this because you may have come in front of a good marketer. Maybe he might have trying to sell you something, like he marketed it so well that you now think that you need that thing to get started with your online business. So actually, like what you really need is, like instead of like you don't need to like have a sales funnel, complicated sales funnel to have a business. Like all you need is just a few of the basics things. Like number one is like the right mindset to get started with your business, because this is very very important. Because mindset, like if you don't believe in what you're doing right now, so you're not going to succeed, because this has to be sorted out in your head before jumping into any online business or any business, any perspective of your life. So it's very very important that you have a clear mindset before jumping onto any online business, because this is very very important, and you need to have the right mindset to get started with the online business. The number 2 point is like you need a product or service to sell. Like you need a monetization way of monetization, because without product, like you can't really sell anything. Like how you're going to generate revenue. So you need something to sell. It could be your own product, it could be an affiliate product, or it could be your own service, or it could be any other type of like service that you are providing to your clients. So you need this thing to something to sell. And the third point is like you need a platform to create your content. So because you need people to see that content, and then only they can buy. So all you need is just like a platform to create content, and a checkout page that your product has, like where people can come and enter their credit card information and they can buy. And the last point is like traffic, like how you come in front of the people, like they need to buy. So these are the main core things that you need to succeed online. And these core things, like they have subcategories in between them, like sales funnel and Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and these are all the core parts like that come below them. Like these are not the major things that you need to be successful. The top 4 which I spoke, like the mindset and the product and the traffic and the platform, like these are the important things that you need. The below ones, like people think like I need a sales funnel to get started. No, that's wrong, because that's one of the sub product of the main core 4th requirements. So these below ones, like sales funnel and the platform and all those things, like that will actually help you amplify your get started much quicker way. Like even all you need is just a checkout page. So I hope you're getting my point. Like you don't need the lower level, you can choose whichever suits best for you, but you need the top 4. Once you have the top 4, all you can do is just start posting content on your Facebook, like start posting content on YouTube. So there are so many platforms where you can go ahead and create content, and you can start generating revenue. So I hope you got my point. Like you don't really need a sales funnel to succeed. Like all you need is just you can go ahead and post a value post on Facebook. You can get somebody on a messenger or a call. You can just send him your checkout link, and you can make that sale. And when it comes to YouTube, like you go ahead and create a content, and like all you need is just a checkout page, and just tell them to go to the checkout page. don't, I mean, these things, like definitely I do have sales funnel, I do use sales funnel, I do use crazy automation things, but these things you can eventually get better at, and you can include these things, little things, as you go along your journey. You don't really need all the complex things at the beginning, and and you don't want that to stop you getting started with your online business. I had a client like who said like he don't want to get started because he can't afford ClickFunnels. Definitely there are other ways where you can monetize the things. There are free methods as well, there are paid methods, whichever suits best for you. You can go ahead and check them out. So I'm just setting up the lighting here. So I hope you got my value, guys, and just focus on the core basics, and you can choose whichever platform suits for you, and you don't need to make it too complicated in the beginning. Just start with something simple, and then you can add little things to your business, and which will automate in the future. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. I just wanted to convey this thing. Do not limit yourself thinking I need this thing to get started. Do not think that, just get started. Eventually you can add things to your business later as well. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and also be sure to check the first link in the description. That is program created by my mentor. That is one of the greatest program which helped me to get started with online business at a much faster pace, and also I'm getting results with it. I'm sure it will definitely help you. If you are watching this video, be sure to check that out. And if you want to connect with me personally, if you want to have a call, you can just email me. I'll leave my email address in the description, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.